What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. We already here on the Nike factory store, so let's check it out. What do they have to offer after the holiday and it's new year? First day, first stop by on the Nike factory store, so hopefully we could find something that really a good profitable item. So let's do it. Alright, so we have here the 30% off with the Kyrie Low 3 TV with the bread colorway selling for $79.97 with an additional 30% off. So the another one we have here, the Kylie also with that white and yellowish colorway. Not bad for the color with the price of $79.97. Next one we have the Air Max 200. And this one selling for what price is that? $59.97 with additional 30% off. You look at this one, we got a Air Max Tailwind SE $69.97 additional 30% off. Wow, nice color though, but still high for me to resale. Roshi 2 Flyknit V2 $54.97 with additional 30% off. Well, this one we're gonna go down. We got the Pegasus $49.97 with additional 30% off. What do you think colorway? I like the colorway on this one. I might gonna pick it up or something for personal on running. So we have the Nike Joyride CC. Retail is $140. They're selling for $49.97 with the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 34. The price, wow, $59.97 with the 30. Alright, we got the Tennis Classic CS 95, we're selling for $34.97 with the 30% off. How about the Overreact Flyknit ISPA? Colorway, $109.97 with the 30. It looks like a garbage. And how about the other colorway? Same price, $109.97 with the 30. Nike Odyssey React 2 Flyknit. Well, now it's not bad. $49.97 with the 30% off. How about the Joyride? $49.97 with the 30. Alright, I've been waiting for this one to go down. $69.99. Okay, we got the Carilo TB Tromo with a different colorway, $69.97, 30% off. I like this one better than the one with yellow-ish. So check this out. We got the Jordan Ultra Fly 2 Low with that white and University Red colorway, $59.97 with the 30. How about the Jordan Pro Tour React? Still sitting here, $79.97 with the 30% off. This might gonna go down somewhere $49.99 or $97. $79.97 as well with the navy colorway with the 30% off. Well, how about the Nike Flex Control TR3? $39.93. Free TR8. $49.97 with the 30. Now we're in the hash wall, clearance wall. So I see this one. We got the kind of mustard Air Force One High suede yellow ochre colorway, or mustard for me. The quality is not bad though, but the price I might gonna leave it for now because it's still high. I'm thinking I might gonna get this one for about $49.97. Carry 6. What that black colorway? We got here the Nike MX 720 119 with the additional 30. These Air Maxes are all over the place. There you go. More are this. And right there, what else we got in the hash wall? Look at those. Look at that. Look at that. No, I spot this one. Hey, we got the Air. Whoo! Look at this one. We got the Air Jordan Retro Fly-ish. Yeah, there you go. Nice colorway. We got the Black Royal, I think. This what they call the Black Royal. What do you think on this one? Whew. Wow, nice. Nice and clean. This is gonna be a good alternative for me for the other Hyper Royal. Next one we got the Nike V-Break Type $49.97 with additional 30. Jordan Fade Away $59.97 with the 30. How about this one? LeBron Witness $49 with additional 30. Nike Cruise Zone $115 retail. selling for $79.97. Alright, Phantom Venom Pro FG. Whew, check the price, $19.97, but huge size. Gonna leave it behind. Alright, clothing clearance with additional 30. A lot of this one. Check out this price, $225. $69.97 with additional 30% off. So that is around 45, 48 ish. So not bad for that price. I'm gonna take some of it. This one is not bad as well. The colorway with that maroon ish, same price, $69.97 with additional 30% off. What do you think on this one? And this one, kind of have some kind of furry on the back. Not bad though. Price is $369.97. Okay, here we go. Alright, this is all what we got, and mostly clothing. So we only have one pair of shoes. So, and there you go. This is all what we pick up on the Nike factory store. So starting off with this Jordan-ish hoodie, and the retail on this one is $90. Tag price is $39.97 with the additional 30%. Some are selling for $64, something like that. Sold for $64. That one is $81, another $71. We also got this Nike Trail, Nike Run tights. So this one retail for $95. Tag price is $49.97 minus the 30%. Some of them listed for $80, $108. Some $79 free shipping. So some of them are reselling for $80, $94 with shipping. Wow, $80 free shipping. So not bad for that price. $49.97 minus the 30% off, and we could still resell them some more. $80 free shipping, more than 50% return. The retail, look at the retail, $225 retail, and they're selling for $69.97 and then additional 30%. So some are around 40-ish, reselling for $129, $140, some $135, $129, ooh, $179, wow, $167. So it different. Ooh, $189. So different sizes. Let's see, are they reselling? Sold items, boom, 19 results. So they are reselling $129, $105, $145, $129, $185, $149. Oh, there you go, $179. So maybe I could list this out somewhere around $179 or $190. There is $190 right there. Maybe I could list it at $179 and then accept a best offer. It depends. Probably maybe $150, $140 best offer, and then the buyer pay for the shipping. Okay, next one we got the maroon-ish, same price, retail to $25, bought them $69.97 with additional 30. 9 result. Some are reselling $129, $165, $174, $218, $199, $129. So are they reselling? Boom, 6 result. That's a lot. $150, $127, $218, $179, $150. That's not bad, considering cold weather is not done. We could still double up or triple up my money. 69.40-ish, 40, 80, 120 probably. I'm gonna list it 140, 150. Listed 179, and best accept the best offer of 140 to 150, and then buyer pay the shipping. Lastly, so we have here the Air Jordan 1 High Fly is black. Colorway is the black Hyper Royal. Ooh. Boom. Is it my size? Oh no. It's my size again. Do I already have an Air Jordan 1 Hyper Royal in my collection? I'm not gonna keep it for the collection. So here you go. Retail is $140. We got them for $119 and then additional 30%. So boom, Not bad for the Jordan 1 high flight is. Well, what do you think on this one? Do you wanna keep it for the collection, or you might gonna resell it if it's on your size? Alright, so and that's all what we got from the Nike factory store. So sometimes check out your clothing, not just rely on the sneakers. Sometimes there also a profit on clothing, especially if occasional clothing like cold season or something like that. Hoodies are really really good. So what do you think on this haul? Please leave a comment down below, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And that's all. Nolasco here. I'll see you in the next one. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.